guys, what's happening? It's Josh with the Lost Passport here. Today we're on the way down to the south of New Zealand. So we've got this awesome campsite tonight. It's called Cascade Creek, and as you can see we've got our camper van here and we've just got a whole heap of mountains around behind us. It's been raining a little bit, but I think it's going to dry up for a fantastic day. Tomorrow morning we got to wake up so early, 6 AM, and head out to Milford Sound. We're going on a 2.5 hour cruise where we're going to see sea lions, dolphins, one of New Zealand's most amazing waterfalls, and a whole bunch of mountains surrounding us. It's apparently once you get through this tunnel that it's absolutely just incredible on the other side. That is our boat, and it's going to take us around Milford Sound on the Encounter Nature Tour. So cruising through Milford Sound now. If you can hear me over this bloke, absolutely amazing. We're just going past waterfalls everywhere, parrots, getting up close to the forests. We're about to go and see a second waterfall now. Scenery, amazingly cold. Look at Rosara, and she's in like 10 layers and her rain jacket. How cold are you?
Oh, very cold, freezing.
What a fantastic cruise, guys. We got to see dolphins, we got to see seals, we got to see waterfalls, and we got the cruise around Milford Sound for 2.5 hours. Big thanks to Southern Discoveries for this cruise. I highly recommend. There's a couple of additional extras you can do underwater and kayaking. We didn't do them this time, but next time we come back we definitely will check it out. As always, guys, if you love this destination and others, make sure you subscribe to the Lost Passport down below and follow me around New Zealand.